What's going on, guys? So I haven't recorded for the past, actually I recorded, but I haven't uploaded for the past 2 weeks. Been having some pretty bad computer issues. So basically, just to quickly recap, a couple weeks ago we went to Foxwoods, had a lot of fun, got a lot of tickets. Ryan and Jenna came with us. They ended up giving the spare tickets to a kid, which is very nice of them. And then Chloe had a birthday surprise for me last weekend. She had a surprise party with some family and some friends, which are still technically considered family. My sister gave me a voucher to drive one of 3 exotic sports cars, and of course I chose Lamborghini. So that's going to be going on hopefully August 27th on a Sunday before we head out to a very big event about an hour and a half away. One of the biggest events on the East Coast, if not the biggest on the East Coast. Chloe surprised me with tickets to King Richard's Fair, and for those of you who don't know what that is, it's a really big medieval time fair out in Carver, Mass. It's out near the Cape. It's all medieval time stuff. They have weapons you can buy. You can throw throwing knives, throwing stars, and throwing axes. They have medieval-based food, drinks. Everything is just medieval. We went for our first time last year, or at least I did. It was a lot of fun, so I can't wait for that. And I also bought a sound system for my car with the help of Chloe's mom as a birthday gift, and some family that gave me some cash. So that was a really good time. Right now we're headed out to Tudo, however you want to pronounce it, Italiano in Brookline, Mass, near the city. So it's about a 45-minute drive, maybe an hour depending on traffic. Oh, there's a red Subi back there. So we'll see how that goes. Last year was a lot of fun. There might be a couple hypercars. It all depends. Right now the owner is still in Italy, so I don't know if he has somebody that can bring the cars out to the show or not, but we'll see when we get there. So we'll pick it up then. Where's the GPS?
Oh, right there.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Come on.
I'm sorry.
This is how you are to talk.
He's so pretty. And the event is right over there.
Over there? Oh, hey. It's on my eye. It hurts so bad. It's so
It hurts so bad.
Ow.
Are you gonna cry? Don't cry. That should be good. That's passing your driver's test. That's fine. I'd probably give you a B- on your driver's test. We're here, everybody.
bags is good enough for me. Oh yeah, that's better. You were saying I had to be, I was fine before. Oh, what kind of drugs are you smoking?
Here's your GoPro.
I don't want it.
Hold it.
I don't want it yet.
Hold it.
I don't want it yet. I don't want it.
Look, it's a Sobi!
Yeah,
It's a Sobi! Subaru! Subaru! I want one so bad. Let's go down and see the Corvette. I don't care, I want the Corvette. Don't care, I want the Corvette.
Alright guys, so we're at the event. We just got here. Already a really good lineup. Yeah, we got lost for about 20 minutes, but it's alright. So here's the lineup so far. Hellcat.
Hello Kitty. Viper. That's nice.
Really nice black GTR. Oh, hey, look who it is. No. This was at the Lexus Cars and Coffee though. Cars and Coffee.
How the Alphas have lined up. They line them up by cars every year. It's pretty nice.
Oh yeah, he doesn't eat ever.
Hi.
It's so hot.
Older Alphas. I like the newer one. Josh will yell at me, but I think it's called a Julia. So he'll correct me if I'm wrong. All the Lamborghinis.
Alright, so we have a really old Countach. Very rare. I believe they're made in the 80s. We got a bunch of other Lambos over here. Gallardo. Newer gen Gallardo. And then a Mercy down here. One of the nicest Mercies I've seen. It was actually in our video from Ferrari of New England. Really nice sounding exhaust. He got it completely redone. So hopefully there'll be more of him later in the future, near future. Now we're just gonna walk around and explore a little bit more.
You see all the dogs.
So, last year, this entire lot over here was filled up with Lambos. I think there was about, what, 30 Lambos altogether. A couple Huracans over there, and whatnot. So yeah, we're gonna go up here further and see what else they got. Nice Ferrari coming up right here. Perfect timing. F430, one of my favorite Ferraris right there. Can never go wrong with F430. And we have a Pagani Zonda. I highly doubt I'll be able to get this car alone. It's always going to be surrounded today, just like it was last year. We'll see what we can do. So stupidly, I forgot my charger at the house, so I don't know how much I'm going to be able to record today. This one's at 29. My other one's just about dead, so
I got a picture in front of you.
I got to be careful on what I record and what I don't record. So, all right, so we have a Carrera GT over here, and the Factory 5 Koalas. Mercedes-Benz SLR, McLaren. we got a factory 5 and something else over here. Not quite sure what else it is. Give me like 2 seconds. I just gotta find Chloe, so I'm going back outside. She's always wandering up somewhere else.
When Josh bought more than expected.
Sorry. Not really.
Sorry, not sorry. So we're making our way up here to the Ferrari.
Eastside Motor, you guys see that a lot in my recent videos.
Yeah, they do a lot.
We saw them in Boston last week, a couple weekends ago. Always a nice car to see. Get the rims.
I did.
Nice shiny gold rims.
That blue is so nice. I feel like everybody just stopped. We have a whole array of cars over here. Nice little stuff. Ooh, speed furniture, that's awesome. Oh, look, they made the signs out of the stone and glass and stuff.
That's something I need.
That's cool. Look at the mosaics. That's so cool. I like the Maserati one.
That's a paycheck to me right there. $349 for
I know.
Lamborghini.
Josh is like a kid in a candy shop right now. Oh, so nice.
That's track ready. Alright, so we have a matte black SV over here. A little bit different from the spec that we saw at Lamborghini Boston. The SV's down there. It says the big lettering right there. And we got a Tuscan brands, Gallardo. Really nice looking F12. Love that color on it too. It's very clean. You don't see a lot of colors like that on supercars, at least that I know of. There was a Focus RS that was parked down the road that we saw in that kind of color. And that's the kind of color Chloe wants her Subaru when she gets one.
Dark, nice gray.
Very nice Scuderia right here. Is that a Scud? Don't make fun of me. I don't know my Ferraris all that well, except for the obvious. It's a 360, so I don't know if it is a Scud, but it has the stripes down the middle, so I'm assuming it is. Now we're going to be heading up towards more Ferraris and hopefully some McLarens. Really nice red Maserati. And yeah, we'll see what we have for McLarens up here. We missed a cold start. this way, I think. Yep, he is. I think the license plate's pretty accurate. Oh my god. Alright, I think we're going to be wrapping it up here at the show. I think we might be going to Boston now. I got a pretty low battery, so I got to be careful again on what I do and don't record. But I got to find Chloe, because again, she just kind of disappears on me. So yeah, there's another red Ferrari coming up right now, and I see her. She's way down there. Let's see if I can get 488 GTB. Pretty quiet. I think he has the exhaust valves closed. So we're running into a couple cars leaving the show. Got this really cool looking GTR. Unfortunately, I missed a yellow Gallardo Spider coming down. My camera didn't start recording in time. Huh? She's walking by herself now. Ooh, I don't know if the camera picked that up, but a Murcielago just left, and I don't think he's. Where are you going? Why you keep crossing the road? Because I just heard a Murcielago leave, but I don't think he's coming this way. But I'm gonna turn it off now, or for now. My battery is at, oh, of course the screen turns off. it's at 12%, so I gotta conserve it somewhat. Hopefully it doesn't die when we're in the city. My other battery is at 8, so hopefully we can make them last. I'll see you then. Alright guys, so we made it to the parking garage at Faneuil Hall. Unfortunately, this time around, I'm not going to be able to bring the camera. I'm at 10% battery with this one, 8% at the other one. But holy crap, we just saw a fight. Not on the highway, but kind of heading towards the highway. Basically, there were two cars
parked. Got into an accident.
There were two cars parked on the side. They got into an accident. It didn't look like there was much damage at all. But speaking of damage, I have to check my car because one of the chicks got thrown into mine. But basically, these two girls were going at it. So we pulled over just in case anything else happened. And one of the girls got thrown against my car. Is that it?
I don't think it's that.
Yeah, I think that was already there. But
luckily there's no shim, but you can see, look, that's her blood. That's her blood on the car.
Oh, come on. So I'll be washing that off. I have wipes in my car. But yeah, so we pulled over and these two girls were going at it. Of course, we got there way too late, so we don't know what exactly happened. But there was a guy there. I'm guessing it was either one of the girls' boyfriends or husbands or something like that. And yeah, they were throwing each other into the road. One of them almost got hit by a car because they were getting thrown into a road. Chloe recorded it on her phone, but I'm not gonna put it in the video. One, because I was swearing because they were getting thrown against my car, and two, the people next to us, to the left of us, they weren't moving, and I didn't want to get hit like I did. So I'm gonna leave that out, but we're gonna try to enjoy the rest of our day in Boston. We saw a couple Ferraris on the way here, and yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I'll come back, I'll turn it back on once we get home, but I hope you guys enjoyed the car show. We definitely had a good time, and we'll see you later on today. Alright guys, so that's gonna wrap it up. It's currently Wednesday. I'm super stuffy right now, as always, so just try to ignore that. But basically, we had a really good weekend, fun weekend, It sucks that I couldn't record much Sunday because I was stupid and forgot to charge my batteries, but that's what happens. We have an exciting weekend coming up this weekend. I'm not going to say what we're doing, and I might be getting a new piece of equipment. Again, I'm not going to say what that is either. And I might have a couple surprises coming up in the future with some new people, but we'll have to see how it all pans out. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please be sure to smash that thumbs up button, subscribe. We'll see you next time.